So day 25 out of 30 on questions I get all the time in real estate. And this time it's about, what do I do to prepare for an open house? Well, not only do you need to make sure your house is clean and fresh and everything else, but here's the thing that's even more important. This just came up because another friend of mine in the business just had this happen where she was robbed at an open house. And that does happen. And one of the things that unfortunately was an issue was owners had watches out during other showings, which you should never do. Put your jewelry, your valuables away. Your prescription drugs, put them away. If you have your kids' names on walls, put it away. Get them out of your house. You don't need, because your house is going to be put all over the internet. So you don't want your kids' names so that some weird stranger can see that and call them by name in public. Photos, this is another reason not to have photos everywhere. But having your belongings, whether it's stuff that actually is worth money, like in this case, someone had watches out and someone came back at the open house. They'd gotten somebody to get them into this house earlier, and they came back and robbed my friend with these things. They were looking specifically for those things. So anything that could be of value, personal value, emotional value, get it out of your house, okay?